Welcome to Exam Heist, your trusted partner in certification success. We provide comprehensive study materials, available both online and offline. We're here to guide you every step of the way. From in-depth PDF guides to structured practice sets, we covered all essential questions to help you in certificating. You'll always have the right resources at your fingertips. Download the PDFs, take practice tests, and connect with our expert support team. Interactive online practice support, so you can test yourself anytime, anywhere. Exam-ready PDFs, carefully curated with essential questions. Top performers consistently rely on Exam Heist. With thousands of learners already certified, we've built a reputation for quality and trust. Expert assistance, where certified professionals are available to answer your queries. And most importantly, content that stays up to date with the latest exam patterns. Start today, and move one step closer to your certification success. So don't wait. Give your preparation the winning edge with Exam Heist. Visit examheist.com now. Exam Heist, your journey to success starts here.
Question 1. Your multi-tenant container, CDB, contains two pluggable databases, PDB, HRPDB and Accounts PDB, both of which use the CDB table space. The temp file is called temp01. TMP. A user issues a query on a table on one of the PDBs and receives the following error. Error at line 1. Error 01565. Error in identifying file, U01, app, Oracle, Oradata, CDB1, temp01. TMPOR 827037. Unable to obtain file status. Identify two ways to rectify the error. Choose 2. Option A. Add a new temp file to the temporary table space and drop the temp file that produced the error. Option B. Shut down the database instance. Restore the temp01 TMP file from the backup, and then restart the database. Option C. Take the temporary table space offline. Recover the missing temp file by applying redo logs, and then bring the temporary table space online. Option D. Shut down the database instance. Restore and recover the temp file from the backup, and then open the database with resetlogs. Option E. Shut down the database instance and then restart the CDB in PDBs. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option A. Add a new temp file to the temporary table space and drop the temp file that produced the error. Option E. Shut down the database instance and then restart the CDB in PDBs. Question 2. Examine the following commands for redefining a table with virtual private database. VPD. Policies. Which two statements are true about redefining the table? Choose 2. Option A. All the triggers for the table are disabled without changing any of the column names or column types in a table. Option B. The primary key constraint on the employees table is disabled during redefinition. Option C. VPD policies are copied from the original table to the new table during online redefinition. Option D. You must copy the VPD policies manually from the original table to the new table during online redefinition. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option A. All the triggers for the table are disabled without changing any of the column names or column types in a table. Option C. VPD policies are copied from the original table to the new table during online redefinition. Visit examheist.com now. Start your exam success today. Prepare smarter with Exam Heist. Practice real exam questions. Download PDFs and revise with confidence.